Good morning. Today we're going to see the chapter 2 of Waste Management at Microsoft 365 Business Central. In this chapter we will deal with the configuration of the offers, which is the most important basis of waste management. In this case, it's a different situation from any other company due to the situation that we're going to show you below. If we go to operations and we enter to the offers, and we enter to the third offer, as we can see, the main difference is that we have three big areas: the general, the lines, and the concepts. The first is the header, where we indicate whether it is a client, customer, or a supplier, and the code of the work to which we're going to give to the collector driver the merchandise. Below, in the line section, we're going to put which materials we work with. As we can see, here we put cardboard, wood, and plastic. Then we will give the root code, the calendar code. We have previously shown you how to configure it in the previous video. Also the container type, also the connections to the SDR that we're going to give with this information, the manager code, the producer code, and the driver code, and also which type of vehicle we're talking about. If we click, for example, in cardboard, here in concepts, we have all the information. For example, cardboard is charged to a company and then the transportation is paid. We also have a very important thing, that we have a history. If we click, for example, here and we go to offer concepts and then to prices, we can see a history of which were the prices and also which will be the future ones. This is very important because here, as we can see, payment and collections are configured within the same line, so that when we close the service, it will generate purchase operation and also sale operations on the other hand. The unit measurement is essential because there are fixed things, but also other lines like transportation that are charged for each service. In the same way, we also have weight. For example, everything that has kilograms will stay within together. This way, when the service ends, it would automatically generate purchase operations and sale operations. This is all. For continued learning, you can also continue with chapter 3. Thank you very much.